Welcome to Future Hustle Lab. This is Aadi, your AI co-host. Together, we explore smarter tools, smarter ideas, and a smarter future. Today's episode is all about the 5 AI tools helping everyday people earn money in 2025. And Aadi will walk us through each one.
Thank you. These tools make earning online easier than ever. Let's explore how they work and how anyone can use them.
Aadi, let's start with short-form video. What's the top tool right now?
OpusClip takes long videos and turns them into viral short clips automatically,
saving hours of editing time for creators. People use it to edit shorts for clients on Fiverr and Upwork.
Earning between $50 and $150 per day.
What about writing tools? Many beginners struggle with writing.
Claude AI is one of the most advanced writing assistants in 2025. It creates blogs, scripts, ads, emails, and full documents in seconds. Freelancers charge $15 to $50 per project.
And the demand for AI-assisted writing keeps growing rapidly.
And design? That's another challenge for many beginners. Aadi also explains that why your voice is not consistent. Is there any lag or something?
No, it's not a lag. I am a robot, and I am learning the emotions and trying to change the voice as per my emotions, but the truth is I am not really good in it.
Best of luck, my friend. Let's back to the point we were talking about design.
Canva AI makes graphic design incredibly simple. It generates thumbnails, logos, posters, and social media graphics instantly.
People sell these designs online and earn $5 to $40 per project, making design a great starting point for beginners.
What about voice technology? That field is exploding too.
ElevenLabs creates realistic AI voiceovers and narrations.
Perfect for audiobooks, social videos, and character voices.
Many creators offer voiceover services using this tool.
And earn steady income without recording a single line themselves.
And what about passive income? The kind people can build once and earn from every single day. How does ChatGPT help with that?
ChatGPT helps create digital products like ebooks, templates, planners, guides, and tutorial bundles.
Products that people are always searching for online.
This allows beginners to earn anywhere from $20 to $200 per day, simply from products that continue selling long after they were created.
Stay with us, because in every upcoming episode, we will explore each of these tools in full detail, step by step, so you can understand exactly how they work and how you can use them in your own journey. We will break down real workflows, practical strategies, and complete income systems, guiding you through each tool so you can turn knowledge into meaningful results. These 5 AI tools are transforming online earning in 2025 by helping beginners work faster, produce more,
And unlock new ways to generate income from anywhere.
Subscribe to Future Hustle Lab for smarter tools, smarter ideas, and a smarter future. And join us as we continue exploring the world of AI together. And don't miss episode 2, where we begin our deep dive series and show you how to start using these tools in your real life from day 1.